Hello everyone, this is Swati Jain. I am Social Study Lecturer of Swami Atmanand Government English Medium School Sector 6 Bhilai. Today I am telling about the social science of class 9th and geography section, and chapter name is cartography and the study of map. This is chapter number 1. Today I am dealing the topic of symbol. What is symbol or logo in a map? We cannot show the actual size or actual shape of features such as houses, roads, railway tracks, trees in a map. So we use symbols. Using these symbols enable us to pack a lot of information about a place. They also make it easier to study these features. We use different symbols in a different kinds of maps. With the help of these symbols, everyone who reads the map understand exactly what the cartographer wants to show. So, standard of symbols ensures uniformity in interpreting the map, especially when the maps are printed in such large numbers. What is conventional symbol? Today I am telling about the conventional symbol are some basic symbols used to represent the physical details of the world on a flat surface. These symbols gives a lot of information about the physical features of an area in a small space. It is used worldwide so that a person can study a map with the help of these conventional symbols even if he or she does not know the language of the particular country. Why we use conventional symbol in a map? The conventional signs and symbols are used to mark necessary objects and physical features of the area on the map. They are usually used to denote the temples, settlements, bridges, physical structures, roads, tanks, water bodies, and also human-made structures. Look at here. There are various conventional symbols image. If you want to show the building in a map, you can draw these symbol which show the buildings. If you want to show the large bridges in the map, you can draw this type of symbol. If you want to show the north direction, you can draw this symbol. If you want small bridges shows in a map, you can draw this symbol. If you want to show the medicine, you can draw this symbol in a map. If you want to show the airport in a map, so you can draw this symbol in a map. If you want to draw the mountains, you can draw this symbol. So, because this is the conventional symbols. Now, I am telling about the some assessment questions which is based on our today's explanation. Look at here. There are many fill in the blanks. The first blanks is by indicators in the map we can show house, road, railway track, tree and sea. Logos or symbol on a map provide many information in less space. Next question, what do you mean by traditional symbol or traditional sign? Let's start the answer. Any part of the earth surface is shown on a small scale by the help of map. The sign used to represent various landforms in the map are known as traditional symbols or traditional signs. These signs are universally accepted and they are used all over the world. Thank you for watching my video. Have a wonderful day.